It's a beautiful house here in Mechanicsburg. So this is the one room we just got done. Well, we started here 2 days ago, so we did this room. It's a little thicker than this floor was here. They wanted the same color. Doesn't line up because this is the new boards are a 1/4 inch thicker than these. So we just basically started right here, ran a line out, so at least we got the right angle. But they're very pleased with it. It looks really good. It's like a golden oak color. It's a nice border. There's Sebi cutting. He's upstairs undercutting. This was here, and we also did this room. This is what we did yesterday. We ran a border around the tile up to the Schluter edge, and I did a picture frame around the fireplace, which wasn't really part of the deal. I just kind of did it extra, nice little inlay, just to make it's a nice house. So, I wanted to make it look extra nice for them, but they're very pleased. In fact, we may be doing their basement. I gave them an estimate for that. It would be basically putting walls up, doing flooring, framing out a bedroom, basically a guest bedroom and a small bathroom, but it's like set up down there already. It already has the studs up and everything. It has to do a little bit of framing, but it's not too bad. It's insulated, so yeah. That's hopefully going to be a quest we do in November. Before the holidays, they want it done. I gave them an estimate last night. I sent it out after baseball. Worked up a quote. So we'll see. Good things are coming. Our schedule's filling up pretty good. But this is what we're working on right now. This hallway is a pain because they want it to go this way instead of this way. I actually would have ran the wood the other way, but for some reason, I'm not sure. They want to keep it, yeah, if you look down the steps, it's going this way. So they want to keep it the same up here, I guess. So, I get that, but Sebi's going through each one of these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doorways in this tiny little area. It's like maybe 5, 6 boxes of flooring will do this whole area. So this is our task today to get this done. And then we got to put up some shoe molding, fix a couple tiles, do a little tile repair in the kitchen, and we're out of here. So if you guys need any flooring work, you know who to call. Phone number 717-673-5532. Zach Weber with Weber Flooring. And Sebastian's in the bathroom. Otherwise, he'd say hi. Have a good day.